So now let's see how we can work around with shift filter inside of GIMP. So over here you can see that I have a picture, and if I want to utilize the shift filter, then I need to go around onto the filters menu right here and then go to distort. And over here you can see that shift is an option, and once you go around onto shift you can see that a kind of a noise is added in as if it was an old television. So if I were to go around and change around the shift, then you can see the old television like noise right here. Then you can go around and really change out the shift right over here as well. Apart from that, you can change around the shift direction from horizontal to vertical as well. And then you can change around the shift right here and then add in or decrease out more noise. You can also go around and change around the seed right here, as you can see. So this is what you have. So if I were to click on changing it, then the shift actually changes out. You can go around and utilize the blending mode right here to multiply it out and see the image beneath over here as well, or replace it altogether. You can see the before and after by looking at the preview, or by looking at the split view over here. So now let me just go around and then press OK, and what happens is that the shift filter will be applied just like that. So that is how you can apply shift filter inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.